I'll get around to it. Yeah. Hello. So smoke alarms are done. There you go. Smoke alarm. Boink. There. Yes. So most of it was running around with the fucking app on the wife's phone and like her setting up and then me holding the button and all that kind of shit. So that's done. I was going to go get the leaf blower out now and have a go at fucking sucking up the leaves, but it's very dark outside. Even with my lights on, it's dark. And by the look of it, with the youngest not being well, it's probably going to be quite a lazy weekend. I don't see us going out anywhere. So I'm going to have most... Oh shit, we're meant to be going fucking ice hockey tomorrow night. Ah! You better feel better for that. So either way, point of getting at is I'll do the leaves tomorrow.